fractions, mixed, subtraction, we have to solve these 5 questions. Now these are fairly difficult ones compared to the others, so we need to be very, very careful. Now when subtraction of fractions, just like with addition, you do not change them to improper fractions. What you do is separate the numbers out, right, so from the proper fractions. And what we'll do here, we'll notice we'll leave the 1 there, so that 1 stays there, plus, now then we'll subtract these proper fractions. Fairly easy one to start with. So a half is 2/4, multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, getting 2/4, and that just simply gives us 1 1/4. Okay, the next one. Here we separate the whole numbers out. That's 3 take away 2 there. And then the proper fractions, 2/3 take away 1/6. 3 take away 2 is 1. Now we change the thirds into 6 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, getting 4/6. 4/6 minus 1/6 is 3/6, and 3/6 breaks down to a half by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. Alright, number 3. Again, we'll separate the numbers out. 5 take away 4, see it? 5 take away 4. Then the proper fractions, 3/5 take away 2/9. 5 take away 4 is 1. Now the lowest common denominator is 45. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator here by 9, making that 27 on 45. And here numerator and denominator by 5, making that 10 on 45. 27 minus 10 is 17, so the answer becomes 1 17/45. Now the last two are tricky ones. You notice in both cases this fraction here, the proper fraction, is larger than this fraction. 5/6 is bigger than 3/8, and again in this one 9/10 is bigger than 11/15. So we have to do a little bit of adjustment here. I'm going to rewrite that as 7, and I'll borrow that 1 and put it with a 1 3/8 there. So you can see it's 7 plus 1 3/8 is still 8 3/8. And I will leave the 4 alone. So now 7 take away 4 gives me the 3. Changing the 1 3/8 to an improper fraction, 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So it's 11/8 minus 5/6. The lowest common denominator is 24. So I'll need to multiply this one by 3 and this one by 3, getting 33 on 24. I'll need to multiply this one by 4 to make it 24. So it becomes 4 times 5 is 20 on 24. 33 minus 20 is 13/24, which is the final result, 3 13/24. Okay, the last one. So what we did is to pinch one of these numbers here, so that becomes 5 plus 1 11/15, because 5 plus 1 11/15 is 6 11/15. You only ever need to borrow 1. Okay, now 5 take away 4 gives you the 1. Changing that to an improper fraction, that becomes 15 times 1 is 15, plus 11 is 26 on 15, and this just stays as 9/10. Now, the lowest common denominator is 30, so we need to multiply this one by 2 and this one by 2, giving 52 on 30, and we need to multiply this one by 3, making that one 27 on 30. 52 minus 27 is 25, and 25 and 30 will divide or break down to 5 and 6 on dividing numerator and denominator by 5, and that's the final result. Well, they are fairly difficult ones to do. When we go on to the next videos, which is multiplication, division, you'll find them a lot easier. This is the hardest section, so you need to pay particular attention to the mixed subtraction fractions. Okay, well that's it. Well, thank you for watching.